UTC is a company that's very focused on reducing its environmental footprint, and it just makes good business sense. We've got several projects planned for 2014 to help us start focusing on the environment. So some of the things we'll work on here in Chula Vista is reducing water consumption and improving air quality.
We're going to be taking a look at our aqueous degreasers that we use for cleaning parts, and we're going to take the wastewater that's generated from that, which is right now about 800,000 gallons a year, and we're looking at putting it through a recycling system. What we're hoping to get is at least a 50% recycling rate from that, which will reduce our water usage greatly. And we're really excited about trying to reduce our footprint out there and make it a better environment.
We have a great relationship with the city and county of Riverside. Our goal is to be a good corporate citizen along with being a great neighbor. Some of the initiatives we have really support what the city of Riverside expects out of us and what they're looking for in the future.
I'm very passionate about the environment and sustainability, so I really wanted to start a green team here and get some interaction with other employees. My first priority is going to be implementing a recycling program here. Figure out some convenient spots for our employees where it's going to be easiest for them to recycle and establish those areas around the plant.
Whether it's material selection, the overall design of the product, the user interface, how you interact with the product, the human-machine interface, all that comes into play when we're developing the design. Of course, we've been also reliant on the various gate reviews that we go through as part of our design to make sure that we're following design for EH&S.
Right now, the manufacturing method for producing slides, we call it joining process. A lot of manual labor, using adhesive, using solvents for cleaning because you do have some overage. In this process, using tooling and equipment basically allows an automation of that seaming of the fabric bonding process, which then starts to eliminate the need for that solvent.
At the ESC, we actually focus heavily upon sustainability in product development and design. And in addition to that, we also look at sustainability here on campus and how employees can engage with sustainability. With a recent employee engagement activity, we actually had employees bring to our attention that they're buying electric cars, electric vehicles, and would like an opportunity to charge them here on campus and continue that path of sustainability measures. So with the employee engagement as well as the company involvement, we've actually been able to bring an electric car charging station here on campus.
It is very important for us to reduce the footprint. One of the projects was the reduction of the carbon dust that is produced during the machining of the carbon disc brakes. Recycle the carbon dust. The carbon dust is now used for things like fabrication of steel, epoxies and coatings and lubricants. In this year alone, Santa Fe Springs has recycled over 83,000 pounds of carbon dust.
We've got a number of initiatives in work. We're looking to reduce the amount of chromate primer we have in our paint booths. We're also looking at reducing the amount of energy that we use. All those things actually play directly back into operations and cost. Anything we can do to remove cost from the product can either go towards improvements in the facility or possibly go back to the customer in attempts to get additional business.